In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an affiliate link on the Awin platform. So first, let's log into Awin. And once you're logged in, you can come up here and click on Toolbox. Click on Link Builder. Under Create Deep Link, you want to select the advertiser that you want to create the affiliate link for. So you can click on this box, select the advertiser. So for this example, I will go with Northwest Registered Agent. And then next you want to create profile. You can scroll down and this way you can find the official website. Under links, just click on the website. And this is the home page. So let's say you want to send people to the home page. So we can just copy this link. Click on copy. Come back to this page and paste it onto the destination URL. And then you can click on generate link. And then your link is going to be generated here on the bottom. You can copy this link and this would be your affiliate link. You also have the option to shorten this link. Click on shorten link and then you will see your shortened link. And this is how you create an affiliate link on the Awin platform.